guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a ride down memory lane. Caught some awesome moments on camera this fall, chasing steelhead on the swing, starting it off with Rico and Winston swinging flies on a beautiful fall day.
Nice fish, eh?
Yes, Winston. What a beautiful fish.
It hit once and then I was like, oh, dang.
Skeena, come here.
Thank you for the handshake.
Look at that. You can't even see her. Look at her back. Yes, sir.
So after Winston's fish there, I dropped in and fished through the rest of the run. Boys were nice enough to let me do that, and I was able to get a quick grab here that you'll see right about there. Missed it, son of a gun. But yeah, we ended up dropping down the rest of the stretch, and I got one more nice fish to close out the day that day. Absolutely insane! Dude, this is insane. I'm in my backing. Oh my god. Oh, he just jumped. I think I just blew my clicker. Oh, that sucks. That could have been ugly. Yeah, dude.
The Tungus.
That's ridiculous.
There we go.
That he almost, I think he blew my drag. I'm gonna have to check my pawl after that. Oh, absolutely zapped me. Like scared the absolute shit out of me.
Hold on, man. More. You weren't even ready, eh?
No, I just snagged and walked in almost up to my tits trying to get the damn fly back.
I seen you guys. I'm like, we're gonna go to the left. We fished it pretty good.
We didn't touch nothing until that one.
That one. Nice fish, Dan, yo. Oh, yeah.
God damn. This was probably my favorite grab of the fall. I was fishing super low water conditions and swinging, a small streamer with no sink tip, and absolutely got freight trained. Got him. That is easily, by far, my biggest Great Lakes steelhead on the swing. Oh my god. Dude, that is a solid fish. It's a beauty. Look at that. First Great Lakes steelhead of the season. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely filled the Ford's fine fishing net. Look at the girth on that. Wow. I don't want to let it go just because it's so big and beautiful. That is honestly a top quality fall steelhead. I am, oh. Wow. Wow. Yes! Dude, I'm so stoked right now. So this next sequence of clips was spent with my buddies Gil, Mark, and Roman. We got together for a couple of days of fishing and to celebrate Gil's birthday, and we ended up getting a couple fish.
Brother. Yeah, baby.
Marky, don't leave him hanging. Ah! That's sick, dude.
And I got on video. Just took my fish, bro.
That's ridiculous.
That is.
Were you rolling?
I was. I just started. As you made that cast and hooked up.
Come on.
I'm serious.
That's incredible. I was not expecting it that fast.
Me neither.
Oh my god. What a dick, eh? Roman just came in and stole your fish you were working on.
He primed it up for me.
Production is brought to you by Float Fishing International.
All I had to do was give up my spot and start recording, and that's it. Fish on. Hold on, Marky.
Wow. Okay. Mark, get in here.
But so I have it on Insta mode.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Awesome, brother. Good job.
666,
Yeah.
Danny.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Roman's turn.
What is going on here?
Dude, that thing has got attitude. Roman's first fish. Swinging. Yeah. There you go. Shoo.
See ya.
Roman. Well, that pretty much wraps up the show. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Had a lot of fun piecing this one together. Got to spend some great time with a bunch of great guys. Got to even hang out with a couple of kittens for a day. And yeah, so thanks again for watching, guys. And we'll catch you guys in the next clip. Take it easy. No pee on the hand. That's a good day. This one's tiny.